Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lenore, Makeup by Leo here on YouTube. If you are new to the channel, hi, welcome. I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for continuing to support my channel. I really appreciate it. Today we are going to be reviewing, or not so much reviewing, just doing like a first impressions on the Live with Love palette from Morphe. I did pick this up about, I want to say two and a half weeks ago when it first launched. My friend Emily tagged me on it on Instagram. She sent me a message and I was like, girl, I need that. So I went ahead and picked up this eyeshadow palette and I just love the color story of this palette. I did go ahead and do two looks, obviously. One more greenish kind of look here, and then we did more of a blueberry pinky kind of look on this side. You know what, I didn't even apply mascara on my bottom lashes, but I'll continue to talk to you guys while I apply the mascara. So like I was saying, these are the two eyeshadow looks that I did come up with for this video. I usually do like a half cut crease on my eyes when I do eyeshadow looks. I just like the way it looks on my eye shape. You don't have to do cut creases, but for me, I just like the way that it looks on me or on my eye shape. Playing with this color story, I did enjoy the colors that I used. I definitely feel like the blue in this palette was a little bit more difficult to work with, but I'm gonna continue to mess with it and see if maybe there's a different way I can use it to where it'll blend out a little bit more easily. Personally, I do like the Morphe eyeshadow formula. Like, it's not like a bad formula. Like, I mean, you're paying for some quality makeup and it's not like the best quality, but it's pretty decent. I don't have complaints about the eyeshadow palette, just that, you know, the blue was a little bit more difficult to blend out. The purple too, but then again, you know, purples and like deeper, richer shades are usually a little bit more harder to formulate, so it's not like a big issue with me. These shades are pretty stunning. I do love the color scheme of this you know, eyeshadow palette. It's just a really pretty eyeshadow palette. I love the packaging. Definitely something I will keep in my collection of eyeshadow palettes that I do have from Morphe, because I do have quite a few and I love Morphe eyeshadow palettes. I do, like, I enjoy their formula. For as many eyeshadows as you get, I feel like some of them are really workable and you can, you know, maneuver them into like whatever it is that you need to do to create your eyeshadow look. So I do really like this palette. I am doing a giveaway. If you want to enter the giveaway, then you know the drill. If you have been here, you know, with me on my channel, then you know how I work when I do giveaways as of lately. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let's get into this video. This little combo right here, the little spatula, fire! you guys, so this is the final result of the eyeshadow looks. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the way these two eye looks turned out. I am really impressed with the turnout. Of course, I did struggle with the blue eyeshadow and the purple shadow a little bit, but this side I had no issues. It just blended out really nicely. All the colors meshed well, very well together. These colors did mesh well together. The only thing is I had a little bit of trouble like trying to blend them out, but other than that, I really enjoyed using this palette. It's so beautiful, it's so stunning. When it comes to using colors, definitely up my alley. It's a nice color story. As far as the brushes go, I really did enjoy each brush that I did use. I used 4 of the 6 brushes. I didn't use this one that has the dual-ended spoolie and liner brush, and I didn't use the eyeliner brush as well. But I did use these, and I do love the quality of them. Pretty good quality. They blended out the shadows on this side really well, so I do recommend this if you are going to pick up anything from the Live with Color collection. I would definitely recommend the eyeshadow palette and the brushes. They're really good. I did pick up the paddle. It's a paddle mirror. I don't want to take it out of the box, but it is a paddle mirror, and it's the colors of, you know, this story here. All you have to do is like this video, be subscribed to my channel, comment down below what emojis you saw throughout the video. I also did try out the BADDIE Faux Mink Lash collection while I tried out SWEETZ, and I really love the style of these eyelashes. They're so pretty, and I can't wait to use the rest of them. And I wanted to go ahead and shout out Diana for winning the last giveaway. Congratulations, Diana. I hope you enjoy all your makeup goodies that you did receive. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, supporting my channel. I really appreciate it, girl. I hope you enjoy your products. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.